How to fix your internet not working in the Google Chrome browser. So if you're connected to the internet but for some reason you can't use the internet in Google Chrome, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So the first thing we're going to do is just load up Google Chrome and then click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side of the browser. You can then click on extensions and select manage extensions. Now if you currently have any extensions installed, then what you'll need to do is make sure all of these are disabled and turned off. So you can do that just by toggling these buttons to off. Now if that doesn't solve the issue, the next thing we need to do is open up the start menu on your computer and you need to go and click on settings. From this left hand navigation, click on network and internet and then click on VPN. If you're currently connected to a VPN, make sure to go and disconnect from this now. Also make sure allow VPN over metered networks is turned off and also allow VPN while roaming must be turned off. You can then come back over to the previous settings page and we're going to click on proxy. Now at the bottom where you'll see manual proxy setup, make sure this is also turned off. You can then go in, close out of this window. Now if it's still not working, open up the start menu once again, search for control panel and click on this window here. In the top right hand side, click on view by and select large icons. You can then press networking sharing center and then go and click on your network connection. You can then click on properties and then double click on internet protocol version 4. Make sure obtain an IP address automatically is turned on like this, and also obtain DNS server address automatically, make sure this is toggled to on. You can then press OK, and you also need to do the same thing for internet protocol version 6 as well. So go and double click on this and make sure both of these are set to obtain address automatically. You can then press OK and OK, and you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, go and open up your Chrome browser and click on these three vertical dots. You can then press settings. In the left navigation, click on reset settings and click on restore settings to their original defaults. You can then press reset. Now once again, you can check to see if that solves the issue. If you have tried all of the steps so far and it's still not working, the final solution is to open up the start menu, go and click on settings. In the left hand side, click on network and internet, click on advanced network settings and then click on network reset. You can then press the reset now button and go and press yes. Once you've done this, you'll need to restart your computer and that should have now solved your internet issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.